Red Hills is a suburb in the northwestern part of Chennai in Thiruvallur district. Located 7 km away from Madavaram, it has become a vibrant hub for logistics and warehousing sector. Welcome to MBTV. I am Nagarajan and today we'll tell you what Red Hills have to offer for plot buyers. The improved connectivity levels, the social infrastructure, what are the amenities and facilities available for residents in this locality. In Red Hills, CMDA approved plot sizes vary from 486 square feet to 600 square feet and above. Prices range from rupees 800 per square feet to rupees 2000 per square feet off GNT road. Land prices are high on GNT road due to surge in demand for warehousing projects and proximity to Kamarajar Port. Small plot project prices are quoted at rupees 4000 per square feet. Land prices are up by 5 to 10% across select micro markets in Red Hills in a span of just 2 years. As per magicbricks.com, you will find more than 100 plots available for sale in Red Hills. Prices rose from rupees 500 per square foot in 2014 to rupees 1290 per square feet in 2019. Presence of logistics and warehousing companies along the GNT road and presence of high quality educational institutions are the major drivers of this locality. In Red Hills, the Grand Northern Trunk Road, the so-called GNT, is bustling with truck movements with the logistics and warehousing sector getting a big boost. The major buyers of plots are middle income group as they are convinced that plot prices are competitive and better than in South Chennai. A number of educational institutions such as Velammal College of Engineering and Umayal College of Nursing are in the vicinity. Among the schools include Velammal's Bloomingdale High Global School, Everwin Vidyashram and Grace Matriculation School. There are government hospitals in Red Hills and multi-specialty hospitals are 8 km away opposite to Central Station and 10 km away at Mount Road. SKLS Galaxy Mall is in Red Hills, whereas Spectrum Mall is 13 km away and takes 35 minutes to commute. MTC buses are a major mode of transportation for people living in Red Hills. Other modes of transport include autos and mini vans which enable commuters to travel at flexible timings. The state government has shifted bus stand for Tirupati bound buses from Coimbatore to Madavaram or Red Hills bus stand. The distance to Kamarajar Port is 19 km away from Red Hills and the airport is 38 km away and takes 40 minutes to reach. Magic Bricks has accorded 4-star rating for this locality. To summarize, in Red Hills, plot prices are affordable and consistent now. An upward trend of 160% in plot prices is evident from Magic Bricks data in a span of just 5 years. Improved connectivity and infrastructure and the growth of the logistics and warehousing sector are major growth drivers in this area.